Okay, so I'll show you very fast how to use GitHub Desktop with multiple branches and also to create a pull request then in GitHub. So assuming that you already accessed one of the assignments or one of the links, you can find here the URL of the Git repository. And if you go here, you have a clone or download button from which you can copy the URL for the assignment. Actually, you can use Open in Desktop if you use GitHub Desktop, but I will show you the more general approach, right? So assuming that you use another tool, you have to go into the tool and basically do a clone. In GitHub Desktop, you just have to go here, press the add button and clone repository. And let's clone it by URL. So I copied before the URL, I paste it here, and I select the folder. This is fine. And I press the clone button. And it takes a while to the clone. But afterwards I should have the whole repository and the branches. Okay, good. You can do a fetch, but it should not do anything because it just cloned. So here you have your default master branch. You have also the origin develop branch. You can check that out, and you should start working on the develop branch, right? So again, by clicking here, you can see the branches and you can switch between them, right? If I go and I do a change, let's say I create an empty file, doesn't matter. Right, I see here my changes, I can commit. And here you can already see that I'm committing to the develop branch. So this, if I would be on the master branch, it would say commit to master. So okay, I commit to the develop branch. And then I push it. Okay. And now if I look here, I can see this and I can already create a pull request by using this button. Or alternatively, I can use this button and basically select here develop, put here a title, which is pre-filled in this case, and then add as a reviewer. Well, here you should add me, but I cannot add myself, so I just won't do it. And then press the create pull request button. And at the end, basically, I will see here that there is one commit and one file that was changed. Okay, and that's about it.